Okay, so the next paint will be the hot metal blue. Interestingly enough, there is no detailed instructions other than shake well before use. Do not thin, mist light coats over Alclad metal finish. As the control, we're going to do it on the regular white part here. It is only designed to be on the metal finish, but I'm just going to use this as a point of reference either way. Which looks pretty good though. Alright, so we're going to do this on the white aluminum. We're going to use the same same PSIs as it was on the other blue. Maybe I have to do a little bit more like that, but alright, now it's showing something. Very weird though. I'm not liking it on this white aluminum, but then again, I wasn't fond of how this white aluminum came out on this part. Hopefully the other ones will show some sort of improvement. Let me just put a little bit more. Alright, so we're going to do this on the, no, we'll do this one, on the semi-matte aluminum. Maybe after it dries, we'll see a better result. Right now, it's still wet in a way. And same result as the other one. Let's try the bright silver base color. Interestingly enough, it gives me a nice little green tone to it, not even blue. Alright, and then finally, the one part that I know will hopefully look good is the chrome. Still a greenish tone. Oh. And this is hot metal? Hot metal blue? Give it another pass like that. Alright. We'll let it dry and then we'll review later on. Let's move on to the next color. Okay, next up will be the Candy Ruby Red Enamel. See how it looks on this. Let me turn this on. According to the bottle instructions, it had to be 20 to 25 psi's. It's a little too wet here. Have to wait until it dries. And I'm going to use this guy right here. I'll try to do this more controlled. Oh, that's good. This is the white aluminum, semi-matted aluminum. Not bad. Okay. Bright silver base. Actually, that looks pretty good though. That red looks nice. And then finally, the chrome. Again, chrome does not disappoint at all. Wow. That's nice. Alright, let it dry, and then we move on to the next stage. Okay, next up we're going to do the transparent red. Transparent red has, let's see here, not thin 12 to 20 psi's over Alclad metal finishes. Alright, let's try this out. We'll try it on the control first. Just make sure it comes out fine. Good. Ooh, I don't like this. This thing is a spider web type thing. Oh, that's right. I remember that this paint was so... This thing dries out very fast. Ridiculous. Let me... You know, it says do not thin, but lately I've been thinning up some paint, so let me see if I can do it with this guy. Some paints are thinned out, yes, but some of them are so creamy and syrupy, it's ridiculous. Let me see if this comes out alright. Because I do remember using this paint, and now I'm remembering the horror stories. Okay, so now it's coming out fine. See, this is why I have something like this to test out. Don't want to do this on a regular Gundam kit. Alright, so semi-matte aluminum. got dry. Next up is white aluminum. Okay. Next up, of course, is bright silver base. That looks a lot better. And then finally the chrome. Oops. It looks good. Again, I'm favoring the chrome a bit. Alright, let me clean this up and we'll move on to the next part.